My name is Allie and I'm here with cute Alicorns. Today I have a special guest, Alex. She has a YouTube channel called Peachy Life LPS. I share it with my friend Finley. We are going to be making homemade soap. We are going to be using this soap kit from Barnes & Noble. In our kit, we have a soap mold that has 6 shapes, 20 blocks of clear soap base with 20 color tablets and coconut papaya scent. Also, we have soap stickers. We have a plastic fish and a clear bag. We have cosmic gray glitter, a ribbon, a gift tag, 2 paper boats, and a gift box. You will also need 2 microwave-safe measuring cups and chopsticks to stir. You will need to get 2 blocks of soap base and put it in there. You will also need to put in a color tablet of your choice. I chose red. I chose blue. You will need to put this in the microwave to heat it up for 10 seconds. And you will need an adult assistant so you don't burn your fingers. After 10 seconds in the microwave, we are going to stir the soap with our chopsticks. And if you want to, you can add coconut papaya scent in the soap. We just poured in our base solution inside the mold. We're going to have to wait 30 minutes for it to cool. We have made a lot of soap. We made a cat. A winking cat. A cupcake. And a peace sign. We have also made a star. That's orange, a glittery green star, a glittery green sapphire, and a blue sapphire. This has been a successful project. Don't forget to comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Watch out for me and Finley on our channel, Peachy Life LPS. Bye! Bye! Let's see if the soap makes bubbles. Look how much bubbles there are in soap. Yeah, so this wasn't a fail, good thing it wasn't. And we can make loads of bubbles. It smells like papaya. It smells like coconut papaya. We are going to be making homemade soap palettes with coconut papaya scent. We have a plastic bag and a fish. Oh, I said it wrong. This is a clear bag. Oh. You will also need 2 microwave and a piece. Bella! Made. A ruby? We have made lots of soaps. First, we made an orange kitty.